everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. My name is Soraya. It has been a while, but life happens, and I've explained that in a post, so you can go on the post to see the explanation for that. However, here we have taro. Some of you call it taro, but we call it dasheen in Jamaica. We're going to harvest it to see what we have in this container. Now the soil level was up to right here, and as you can see, it has dropped tremendously. All right, so let's see what's in this container. So hang on a bit. All right, the container is very light, so I'm not sure if there's anything in the container to harvest. All right, oops. Some creepy crawlies in here. I need the gloves. Need gloves. Let me get some gloves. All right, guys, so something get inside the pan, because here's a hole here and there's a hole here. So not sure if we have anything in this to harvest. So apparently the soil was going through the bottom of the container without our knowledge. But I think we have few pieces, so it's not bad. Wow, okay, we do have quite a few pieces. I think we can plant this part back. All right, so this is one piece. Let me put it aside. All right, so this piece I think can be planted back, so I'm going to plant back this as well. We have quite a number of little pieces that we can plant back. Another little piece. One more. And then I think this is one of the bigger pieces. Let me just double check. So we have two pieces that are nice size that we can use to cook this week. So this is not bad at all. And we do have quite a number of pieces that we can plant back. So these are what we're going to plant back. All right, so taro, as you know it in your country, we call it in Jamaica dasheen. So this is just one container. We do have another container, so we're going to harvest that one now. All right, so let me put these aside. All right, so this is our next container, and dasheen do take about 9 months to be ready. All right, so let's see what is happening in this container. So this, we planted this in December, I think mid-December last year. Let's see if anything is in this one. Alright. We have some smaller pieces in this one. Very small pieces. So this is the biggest piece from this container. We still can use some of these smaller pieces to cook with, like these ones here. And without the space to plant out all of them. We'll put some in the bed and some back in container. So these smaller pieces, some of them can be used to cook with. And we'll try some in the bed so we can get a bigger yield next time. What happened is that we put one root in this, that it springs a lot, it spreads, so it multiplies. So you always have something to plant back. And in the first one that we harvested from, we put 2 roots in that container, and also that multiplies. So it's just to find the space to put these back in. So we have to be creative somewhat so we can plant out as much as possible. So these are the little pieces that we're going to try to sort through and then plant back some of these and probably give away some of them. All right. All right, guys, so these are our biggest pieces from the 2 containers. Again, we're going to use the smaller pieces to plant out. We're going to use some in the garden beds this time so that we can get bigger yields. We'll cook a few of the smaller pieces and also give away some. So this is what you can achieve in your own backyard garden. Remember to start that garden 1 container at a time, and we will see you when we see you. Take care for now. Bye.